Week 3 has just come to a close, and this week's goals were to finish the hab mechanism, finish the bumpers, make an electronics box and finish its wiring, brainstorm some ideas for getting onto the level 2 platform of the hab, getting the CAD complete for the final product of the robot, including the electronics box, getting the camera tested out to find a good mounting position on the robot, finishing the week 2 and 3 videos, and hopefully getting the skill-based badges done. First, we needed to finish off the bumpers.
Today is Wednesday and we were supposed to finish the bumpers by last Wednesday, but we ran into some issues with the angle bracket not allowing the bumper of the robot to fit onto the frame.
So we tried to overcome this by laser cutting some acrylic spaces to put between the bumper and the robot to make it sit flat. However, this didn't work, so in the end we decided to remove the angle bracket so that we could put each bumper piece in individually and adjust it so that the holes would line up.
Next, we finished the hatch mechanism.
Get set. Enable.
The hatch mechanism consists of a large vertical front plate, and connected to it are 4 strips of Velcro so it can attach to the hatch panel. Also on the front plate are 2 small pistons that allow the hatch panel to be pushed off onto the goal. Behind the front plate there is a smaller panel which has springs attached to it. These springs allow for more flexibility when it comes to driving and scoring at an angle. The hatch mechanism is now complete, although it was 3 sessions overdue, but our robot can now compete and score points. We started brainstorming ideas on how to get our robot onto the second level of the hab. As a team, we went through ideas as to how we would get our robot onto the platform, and we compiled a large list of thoughts. Then we categorized them into 3 main sections: ramps, levitators, and wheels. Ramps consisted of anything with an angle placed at the front of the robot. Levitators consisted of anything that would make the robot rise upwards, generally using pistons. And wheels was a miscellaneous category. Media has been going well lately, and we've been busy with uploading the week 2 video, making the week 3 video, helping with the chairman's essay, and creating badges for a skill-based robotics system.
The system we have set up is skill-based and contains 2 levels for each specialization. For example, Mech and CAD. Each group is based off a woman that has influenced the world in a positive way. One example is software. For software 1, we have Ada Lovelace, who helped invent the computer, and software 2 is a moth, because when Grace Hopper was doing her mathematical equations, she would always draw a moth. And then the badges will be 10 enamel pins after I finished designing them on Adobe Illustrator.
The camera has been temporarily mounted onto the robot for the uses of driver training, which has been going pretty well so far. The problems we have run into with the position of the camera is that it is off-center, and sometimes when a hatch panel is attached to it, it can be difficult to see from the camera's point of view. Next session we will try and permanently mount it and try some other positions. Then we started designing the elec board layout and the elec box. This week we started laser cutting an electronics box based off the CAD that we had designed. The purpose of this box was to allow a dedicated spot for the wires to be attached to, so the layout would be neater. After we had wired the board up to the robot on Wednesday, we ran into some issues about how the box is not legal, so we went into redesigning the CAD so that the box can flip upwards, so that certain areas of the elec board are visible. These parts have been laser cut and will be finished next session. And that's it for this week. See you guys next time.